Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's phrasal verb is add up. Add up means to make a math total. When you add up numbers, you see how much they all come to. Let's see an example. Okay class, please add up these numbers. 7, 4 and 9. Let's see. 7 plus 4 plus 9, that adds up to 20. See how the numbers come together to make a total? That's what it means to add up. Let's try a quick quiz. Which sentence uses add up correctly? A. I add up my books before I read them. B. Please add up these numbers, 5, 6 and 7. C. I add up my shoes to go outside. It's B, because you can add up numbers to make a total. Great job! If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your own example using add up. See you later!